Commission in Himachal Pradesh has directed Tata Motors to replace the Tata Harrier SUV or refund its purchase price of rupees 21.4 lakhs after finding evidence of manufacturing defect. The ruling comes after the SUV suffered repeated steering related issues and two separate timing belt failures of just within 26,000 kilometers of usage. The case relates to Tata Harrier XZA Plus Dark Edition purchased in May 2022 by Palampur resident Dr. Krishna Lal from JKR Motors, an authorized Tata dealership in Himachal Pradesh. According to the complaint, the SUV started developing steering vibration and knocking noise within the first 1000 kilometers. The power steering assembly was replaced under warranty, but the owner claimed similar issues resurfaced later. The dispute escalated after the Harrier suffered two major timing belt failures. The first incident occurred in August 2023 when the SUV came to a halt on Hamirpur Sujanpur Highway. The owner stated he and his family remained stranded for several hours before roadside assistance arrived. The vehicle was towed to the service center. After repairs, the vehicle was returned to the owner. A similar incident occurred again in March 2024 when the SUV had covered around 26,700 kilometers. The vehicle stopped and required repairs. Timing belts were designed to last significantly longer under normal operating conditions. Premature failure can result in engine shutdown and potentially engine damage. An independent automotive expert appointed during the proceeding examined the case and noted that timing belt usually lasts between 90,000 kilometers to 1 lakh kilometers. The report observed the two timing belt failures before 30,000 kilometers, very unusual. The finding refers to the inspection that identified a misaligned timing belt bracket assembly. According to the expert, this misalignment could be responsible for the repeated timing belt failures. The commission observed that there no equally strong technical evidence was presented to counter the expert conclusion. The Tata Motor and the dealership contested the allegation, stated that all issues reported by the customers were attended to under warranty. The company argued SUV is already covered over 30,000 kilometers, suggesting that the vehicle did not suffer from any manufacturing defect. The dealership maintained the vehicle usage patterns and operating conditions can influence component wear and tear. The commission ordered replacement or refund after reviewing the case. In its order, the commission observed the customer cannot be compelled to continue using a structurally defective or potentially life-threatening vehicle. He directed Tata Motors to provide the owner a new defect-free replacement vehicle of the same or upgraded model. The company may refund its full purchase price of 21,40,000. The order also includes an interest rate of 9% per annum from the date of filing of the complaint until payment. The commissioner awarded 1 lakh compensation to mental agony and harassment along with 15,000 towards litigation expense.